If you have a game that you need to create an ad for, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you could create stellar converting ads for Axon and the AppLovin network or anywhere that you need to run ads. Let's get into it. All right, let's talk about Axon, which is by AppLovin because there is a lot happening in this ecosystem that's important to understand. AppLovin isn't just one product anymore. It is three core platforms working together. First, you have Axon, which is your AI-powered advertising platform, which is what we're focused on today. Then there's Whirl, which handles streaming TV solutions. And the third platform that they have is called Adjust, which is their mobile measurement and analytics platform. But Axon is where all the magic happens when it comes to user acquisition. This is AppLovin's self-service ad manager, where you're building campaigns specifically for mobile apps and games. Axon gives you access to massive mobile inventory, and its AI placement is best in class. Now, one important thing to note is that you can't just sign up and start running ads. Axon normally requires a referral code, or you'll get hit with a waitlist, which could be waiting for weeks to get approved. But there is a way to skip over that. Creatify has a partnership with Axon, which means without a referral code, you could get started today and start running ads. So when should you actually care about this platform? Look, if you are running a mobile app or a mobile game and you need users at scale, this is the most powerful platform available right now, period. AppLovin has a deep reach into mobile inventory that you can't easily get anywhere else. Alongside that, their machine learning optimization is legitimately best in class. So once you get ads on the platform, the most important part is gonna come down to your ad creative. And to be honest, creative fatigue in today's world is brutal. You could find a winning ad that works today and it will stop working in just a few weeks. High volume apps are gonna need 100 plus new video creatives per month. And I wish I was exaggerating, but that's what the top performers are doing. Traditional video production just does not work at this speed. You're looking at 1 to 4 months between concept and finished video, plus an additional $3,000 to $15,000 per video. And by the time your new creative is even ready, your old ads are already gone. And this is why the shift to AI generated video ads is so important, specifically for this platform. The reality is you need to be able to create 10 to 15 video variations in a day, not every quarter. You need to test different hooks, different avatars, different value propositions, and you need to do it fast. Axon's AI is going to need volume and variety to optimize effectively. Let me show you how. The first thing we'll do is go to creatify.ai, which you could click the first link in the description to get started today. Once you're in your account, all you'll need to do is click on the AI video ads. This is a really powerful tool. All you'll need to do is drop in your URL right here from the App Store or the Google Play Store, and then hit Analyze URL. What it'll do is pull the name, description, images, logo, everything into Creatify to create stellar ads for you. The best part is the AI is going to do all the heavy lifting, but if you do want to customize, add your own images, adjust the description, promotion, anything, you could do that as well at any stage of the process. All right, everything here looks good to me, so I'll click next. And then from here, you can decide on all your video settings. In this case, I'm going to keep the platform general. Aspect ratio is perfect at 9:16, and I do want it to be about a 30-second ad. For the target audience, I do want to select two of these. I'm going to do daily reward seekers and slot machine enthusiasts. Now let's hit next. Now the AI is going to generate scripts based on everything that we just gave it. If you want to include your own script, you could do that as well, but you could see here there are a few scripts that it has written, and I really like this third one right here, so I'm going to select this and then hit next. From there, you could choose from hundreds of different avatars for your target audience. In this case, I am going to choose Oscar, and here I am going to choose this and this, and now I'll hit next. Now this is incredible. We have 13 different options to choose from that took all the content we provided, the script, and put together these videos for us. Now you could render one or all of these so that you could start using them in your advertising. And what's really cool is that if you do want to make some edits to the video, it's really easy to do that as well. So you could just go to any video you want to adjust, click edit. You could do quick edit or go to the full editor, so you could edit anything at any level of detail that you like. Now I really like a lot of these, but let's take a look at one of them. I'm going to do a few quick edits. I'm going to go into the editor right here and then make a few adjustments. First, the voice is perfect, so I'm going to leave it as is. Then I'm going to go to music, and there is another song that I want to choose, which I'm going to select this here. For captions, because we have a really colorful background, I am going to go for a different caption style, this one here. And then for the ratio, it's perfect as is. So I'm gonna save these changes and then render them. Now let's take a look at this final video.
Finally, a casino app where the minigames actually make your winnings bigger instead of stealing your time. Mega Jackpot Slot 777 gives you quick, easy bonus rounds that genuinely boost your bankroll. The main slots run flawlessly with stunning graphics across 6 beautiful themes. Daily coins arrive automatically, and bonus coins appear so...
This is awesome. And this is just the beginning because you could also launch your ads inside Creatify. I'm gonna click on the 3 dots here and then click launch ad. As you can see on my screen, you could launch this on Meta, Axon, or TikTok and do all of this within Creatify. Now, here are some mistakes to avoid. First, you do not want to touch your campaign within the first 7 days. Axon is gonna need time to learn. You'll only make changes if you see something is clearly broken. For example, if there's zero spend, broken tracking, or policy violations. Second, let's talk about budget. One strong campaign at, let's say, $250 a day beats 5 smaller campaigns at $50 each. Don't fragment your data across multiple learning phases. Third, when it comes to creative, upload 3 to 5 variations per creative set. Then let Axon's algorithm pick winners automatically. And I know you might want to do it, but don't manually pause ads. Fourth, scale slowly. Let's say there's a campaign that's performing really well. Don't double your budget overnight because you'll reset the learning phase. Increase it by say 20 to 30% max per day. So success on Axon is going to require 2 things. First, you're going to want to give the AI enough budget and data to learn. And second, you need to maintain creative velocity with fresh concepts continually. If you get those right, you'll see Axon perform and you'll watch your business scale. You've got this. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out this video on the screen to learn more about how you could leverage Creatify to grow your brand.